Hello everyone and welcome back to my videos. Today we're going to be reviewing the Recognition by Unparallel. Before the video begins, I would like to know what you guys want to see, because I know what I want to do. I want to make yo-yo videos, but if there's anything that you guys would like me to do, like, I don't know, maybe like other tutorials, like kendama tutorials. I like to skateboard, maybe skateboard tutorials. How to skateboard, anything like that. Maybe how to drum, because I like drumming. Anything, just throw it down in the comments. Second thing is, how is your weekend going? I know it's Saturday for me today. I'd just like to know, how's your weekend going? Please hit the like button. It helps me out tremendously. And also, drop a comment while you're done. Just drop anything. It helps. Helps me get on the recommended page, which gets me more subscribers. Good stuff. I'm at 300. I'm almost at 300 subscribers. That's amazing. Yeah. Remember to like. The goal for this video is 15. I think we can do it. Also, go check out the video I posted last week. It was of me quadding and yo-yoing. Link right up there. Yeah, let's go to the video. I featured this yo-yo in my top 8 best yo-yos of 2019, and still is one of my favorite yo-yos. This is like a really good yo-yo. I got a couple scratches on it. I street perform with it, so like, you know, I'm gonna probably use it for my next competition. I'll be at Illinois States, by the way. Yeah, so it has a lot of like unique ridges in it. Like right here, it's made for finger grinding. It's insane for finger grinding. It's got really good time for that. Finger spinning is okay, not really. It just has a kind of flat cap right here. Nothing really special, no point for the axle. I got the like bronze color, I think that's bronze, and it comes with clear silicone response pads and concave bearing. I think it's concave. I'm not totally sure. I'm not good with bearings. It has kind of like a C shape. You can see the unique ridges in this like really well right here. And the ding. For the yo-yoing part of this video, I'm going to be using neon yellow kitty string. Just normal kitty string. I think it's not normal. It's not fat. You can get it in bulks. Like Yo-Yo Expert. Pretty easy to get. We're gonna go throw it down now. This yo-yo is really good for like slack type stuff. It's just like heavy and it keeps its weight like really consistent throughout the yo-yo. Like I was saying earlier, this yo-yo is great for finger spins. Doesn't shake at all. And just stays there. Finger spins, you know, it's just kind of like average. Kind of wide, so it's possible to do horizontal on it. But it's also like not a good starting horizontal yo-yo. Obviously like the Atlas or like the super wide, even the B grade of the super wide are really good horizontal yo-yos. For just regular play, I personally like heavier yo-yos, so like this is like my perfect yo-yo. Like for regular play and stuff like that, it's a really good yo-yo. I'm not using my microphone in this video, so tell me in the comments if you hear a difference, or if I should use my microphone, or if I should just keep not using it. For slack, like this kind of slack stuff, it's just, I don't know, it's just really good for this stuff. This is, I love this yo-yo. There's no limitations for like slack combos and stuff like that with this. For normal play, it's very stable. It's not shaking at all for me. Sometimes other yo-yos kind of are just a little bit unstable. This one's perfectly stable. It's a little shaky, but if you just straighten it out with your finger or something, or if you just have a really good throw, it's not going to shake on you. Just don't crank your yo-yo too much down, or leave it too loose, or else it will like do that. For big techie tricks, it can maintain its speed through all of them. I don't think you should keep it in a big tech mount like for a while though. It can definitely maintain its speed though. It's like the perfect weight for a yo-yo, in my opinion. Thank you all for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. Subscribing is free. And yeah, remember to check out my older video, which will be linked in a couple seconds in the outro. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.